Hi, my intelligent listener. Today in this lesson, we are going to talk about something as usual very important. So, in this lesson, I am going to explain something is really outstanding. So, which is the past modal verbs, which are could have, would have, and should have. So, before we start speaking about this, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please try to share it or feel free to write anything in the box of the comment. Okay everybody, welcome to this video again. So today, as I told you first, we will discuss something very important, which is the past modal verb. Could have, should have, and would have. Native always says could have, should have, would have. So now, let's move to talk about the general idea about the past modal verb. See, past modal verbs are all used hypothetically to talk about something that didn't happen in the past. Again, we will move together now to discuss, to get all the information about the first modal verb, which is could have. Could have always follows by past participle, the third verb. You know it. Okay, so what does that mean? That means could have plus past participles means that something was possibly in the past. Okay, or you had the ability to do something in the past. Okay, see the example here to get more information, to be more clear. The example says here, I could have stayed up late, but I decided to go to the bed early. Another example is they could have won the race, but John hurt his neck. See, this is the second example, and the third example is to get a pure and great information about could have and past participle. Okay, he could have studied hard, but he was too lazy, and that's why he failed the exam. See, this is all about could have and or could have. Now let us talk about the second part, which is should have. When we use should have, we use should have when we want to give advice in the past. For example, I should have studied hard. The explanation, I didn't study hard, so I failed the exam, and now I am really sorry for that. Another example is, I should have gone to the bed early. I should have gone to the bed early. I didn't, the explanation, I didn't go to bed early, and now I feel tired. Okay. A third example is, I shouldn't have eaten so much cake. The explanation is, I did eat a lot of cake, and now I don't feel good. You know, I make it full, and then I don't feel good at all. Okay. The third or the first example is, you should have called me when you arrived. You should have called me when you arrived. Okay. The explanation is, you didn't call me, and I was worried about you. I wish that you had called me. Okay, the third or the fourth or the fifth example is, John should have left early. Then he wouldn't have missed the plan. Okay, but he didn't leave early, so he missed the plan. Let's have a look at the third part, which is would have. When we can also use would have plus past participle, we can also use it to talk about something you wanted to do it, but you didn't do it. For example, I would have gone to the party, but unfortunately, I was very busy. See here, I'll explain the sentences below me. I wanted to go to the party, but I didn't because I was busy. If I hadn't been so busy, I would have gone to the party. This is for the first example, and now we will move to have a look at the second example. The second example says, I would have called you, but I didn't have your phone number. I'll explain the sentence here. Follow me. I wanted to call you, but I didn't know your phone number, so I didn't call you. Okay, this is all about would have. I hope you understand. I hope you got the benefit. I hope everything was going wonderful, and thank you so much. Okay, anyhow, in this lesson we covered 3 things: should have, could have, would have. Could have, we use it with past possibilities. Should have, we use it with the past advices. Would have, we use it when we want to do something but we didn't do it, unfortunately. So, if you want to learn more, go below and then you will find all the information that I have collected for you. Feel free to ask any question and I'll be happy to respond or to reply your question. And don't forget to subscribe and write anything you want to learn about English. Thank you so much. Bye bye.